the
And
realest.
Christmas with the Franks.
Home Alone the realest lang ang alam ko.
Christmas with the Franks? Tama ba yung
Home Alone
title
talaga
to?
ako.
Christmas with the Franks?
Home Alone 1, 2. I watch it all the time.
Tama ba? Hindi ko na alam. Ooh,
I totally
Princess
forgot.
Princess Diaries.
Yes.
Oh, yes, of course.
It's Parent Trap and Princess Diaries, yung lagi kong pinapanood. One and
Comfort
two.
movies. Comfort
Comfort
movies.
movies.
Ako, comfort movie ko, Corpse Bride. What's your comfort movie?
Home Alone.
Corpse Bride.
Home Alone.
I cosplay ba?
Ang comfort niya sa akin, friendly movies, Master Kid.
Ate, text mo ako, marinig mo yung ringtone ko. In the criminal justice system, sexually based offenses are considered especially heinous. Law and order.
That's your, no?
Yun yung ringtone ko. Yung isang phone ko, Animal Crossing. Yung isa, Law and Order.
Two different personalities.
Yes. Lizzie McGuire. Oh my God, yes.
Oh, yeah,
Lizzie McGuire.
Mamma Mia.
Mamma
Okay
Mia.
lang.
I love the scenery. I love everything.
Oh yeah,
The
it makes me
songs.
want to go to wherever they are. But after watching Wicked,
Enrique Hill.
it has top.
You met Enrique
Yeah.
Hill?
Yeah.
Crazy, Kuya Eric.
Kasi he was geekan ko ano nun.
Enrique Hill is... Oh yeah, he's from Cebu.
Yeah.
Hindi kami Anyway.
Alright. Sorry.
Big Bang
Sino
Theory.
yung naka-red sa gilid?
Wala.
Sama ko.
Hulaan nyo, bawal ang tamang sagot.
Guni-guni mo lang to.
Ah, may naka-red ba?
Huh?
Wala ata.
Wala.
Sabi niya mga baliw.
This summer I turned pretty.
No, I have not watched.
I watched
summer
it.
I
I watched it. Yung
But it's a
ano,
book.
Team
Yeah, it's a book. I read
Jeremiah
the
or
book.
Team Conrad, ganon.
I don't know that.
I'm Team Conrad. Ikaw ni Ate Joss, yes. Ikaw ko po.
Bigay mo na nga yung hikaw mo dito. Hingi ng mga hikaw to.
Oo, kasi isa na lang daw. Nasa isa kong bag, guys. Nasa kotse.
A-attend daw ba tayo ulit ng Beaver sa February? Oh,
I will
susunduin
try.
ko na kayo.
Alright.
Let's
Ako
go,
na
let's
yung
go.
school bus. Wala pa tayong ticket. Bibili pa muna tayo. Kailan ba ang ticket selling?
Ayun, wala akong
I'm going.
Let's go.
Yeah, we have our lights.
I'm gonna ready to lose my voice
I will
again.
get light stick.
Lights.
I can't wait for their new merch.
I actually lost my voice as I got scared for Bataan.
Killing me softly ka pa.
Tapos di ko pa marinig yung boses ko. Sige na lang, laro!
Hey,
Listen, Texas.
Ano?
And oh,
Have you watched Hello Love Again? I have.
Yeah!
I have.
No.
That was so good, Alden.
I haven't watched yet.
Mali!
Yes,
Hi.
I've watched. Ano ka na?
Wala ko'y wala ko'y cup.
Ako!
Ah, si Alexa.
Wow, meron si Ate Colette!
Kumain ka na? Ano yan?
Sino ba ibang
Sushi.
R?
Kumain ka
Sushi,
na?
kain ka.
Oo naman.
Go.
You ate na?
Wala namin yan. Halang ng orange. Perlame.
Hindi naman, no.
Hindi siya mag-
You ate na dinner, ate?
For them.
Wala pa?
Oo.
Nakatapos mo lang?
And then, umalis ka na, nanggaling ka na sa billboard. Hala,
Mabibillboard ka.
anong time na? Late ka na.
Ay, you ate. Andun.
May billboard pa?
11 na eh.
Kasi 10 lang yung billboard.
Gusto ko yung alam na natin yung schedule.
Alam na namin ang schedule ng lahat.
Yung High School Musical. Of course, High School Musical.
Of course.
Who was your bias in High School Musical? Are you Team Gabriella or Sharpay?
Oh, growing up, it was Team Gabriela.
Bye.
Gabriela. Bye-bye, I love you.
Bye! Bye!
Ingat, enjoy.
Legit stop by.
But now,
Buti
that
may
I'm older,
capture.
I'm like,
Wala pa itong gamit nun.
I get it. Sharpay. Sharpay all the way. Have you watched Camp Rock? It's like we're
Of
going,
course.
like we're going time traveling to the past.
of course, Camp Rock.
Camp Rock.
Oh, I wanna do that.
Saan daw si Colette? Ayun, kakaalis lang.
Babay na.
Dumating na si Colette.
Kala kung ano yung papalit.
The
that?
showdown. Oh, showdown daw kayo, guys.
Go Ate Jazz. Dear future.
Sa'yo na lang.
Coraline, oh my my god, I love Coraline. I love
But I got scared first time I watched Coraline. I was
because
really
of the
scared.
mother.
Because of the mother. You know the traumatic scene for me is the button.
The eye button.
The eye button. So traumatic.
Yeah, I get it.
As a kid, no way.
I learned.
Ito ba yung ano? Binigay niya yung heart. Namatay siya. Tapos yung heart niya nasa isang tao. Tapos nagka-inlovean sila.
Paano nipatay na siya?
No, like, namatay siya, pero may isang, transplant yung heart to
Okay.
another person. And then nag-meet sila nung girlfriend or fiancé. And then parang naging isang, I don't know if tama ba ako.
Heart wants what it wants. Okay, let's stop talking about movies.
Movies.
Let's talk about music.
Okay.
Who's your
Music.
favorite artist? International.
I would, oh, wow.
What are you into ba? Like, genre?
A lot eh.
I
Very
usually
genre
listen to
neutral naman.
anything. I think, I
At the
can,
moment. At the moment.
at the moment, BTS pa rin.
House mate.
Bias naman natin, Patch.
Ano sabi niya?
Kayo daw, Gen 11 housemate.
Sila.
How about you, Rain? Who's your favorite at the moment international artist?
International. Daniel.
Caesar?
Caesar.
Ariana. Like that.
Taylor Swift.
Of course.
Hail Caesar.
Bruno Mars pa rin.
Bruno
Oh my
Mars.
God.
Timeless
Bruno
talaga.
Have you watched this concert?
You have?
Yes.
Crazy
Yeah.
times. Here.
Yes.
I'm a concert goer.
Actually.
Concert goer talaga. Like,
So like if I'm a beach goer, mountain, ikaw concert.
Ay, gusto ko din to eh.
too bad it's so
Wala
far.
akong pera
Philippine Arena.
Oh my God.
Ako doon naubos yung money ko. Concert.
Frank Ocean.
Oh, Frank!
Oh,
Ocean!
yeah.
Love. Grabe. I love songs.
I love
Oh,
songs.
and-
It's so
ano yung
hard. I love
concert?
music.
Locked Out of Heaven.
Yun
Kita
naman
mo yung
lang.
mga clips eh.
Check ko yung-
Yeah.
Cannot just stay here.
Yeah. Spend
Ayan na, Bruno Mars. This is the
Oh,
highlight.
yes.
of it.
Oh.
1975.
What? You with Blackpink?
Yeah.
No way!
Yeah, I was so near to them, honest.
Hello ko!
Yeah.
Oh, look.
Then I was
No
so
way!
Then when they went back, I saw them again. Saw them 2 times na. That was the
No
first.
way!
And then this was
Crazy.
the second. I was so close. So.
Oh my gosh!
Crazy.
See, so
Good job.
close.
Oh my God, you saw them! Crazy God!
Isa na lang hikaw mo.
Coldplay also!
Yes! Oh,
Damn, so I want
saw
to
Taylor
watch
Swift also.
Coldplay talaga.
Yung mga
Oo,
nila-
nag-Dua Lipa ka.
Ah, yeah!
Yeah, I love. Dua talaga yung sobrang
Yeah, I know.
favorite.
I can tell in your stories like, oh, she's a fan.
Hindi, nag-Dua Lipa ka the one she was... Di ba she was here like 2 weeks ago?
Yeah.
2 to 3 weeks ago. Thank you for the rose. Thank you for the rose.
8 Roses.
Fan ka mo ng BTS, yes. Oh, yeah.
Rain Kid and clothing line. Napaka-mute.
Best concert experience.
Ikaw, best concert. I've only been to Beanie Burst.
Oh, me too.
Oh, I went to Sarah Geronimo's concert before.
Slay.
And Vice Ganda.
Slay!
Vice Ganda went to Dumaguete before.
Pants. Boom, boom, pants.
What's your concert? As a maraming
Yeah.
collection.
Taylor Swift and Coldplay. Tie for me.
Wow, Coldplay talaga. I really want to.
Iba yung,
Look
I don't
at
know,
the
like,
stars.
grabe yun, nag-cry ako. First time ko mag-cry sa concert when I saw Coldplay.
I cried in Beanie.
Slay! Huwag muna tayong umuwi.
That song hits different now because of PBB.
Yeah, I knew, right? Lahi na. Iba yun. Katabi pa natin yung host. Dito muna.
Michael Jackson. Oh, you watched Michael Jackson? Oh my
Hello?
Oh
God.
my gosh, I love Michael Jackson. I remember I was grade 4
Sobrang
when Michael
swerte.
Jackson died. Crazy time.
I was so obsessed with Michael Jackson.
How old are
That
you
time
po?
na nag-
Man in the Mirror is my favorite song.
Ako, do you remember
Eh.
when we fell in love?
Yes, Ariana Grande.
Buzz tour ni Nicki. I'll see you there.
Thank you.
Sinong crush mo daw, Rain? Ako.
True.
Para walang away, guys.
Oh.
It's me. I'm the one you want. It's me. So if you care to find
Coachella.
Are you
I
ready
would
to-
want to go to
I know.
Coachella. That has been a dream. of
Dream.
mine.
With what money?
It's gonna happen, please.
Yeah,
With what
2026.
It's gonna happen.
With what money?
Yeah,
It's gonna happen.
it's gonna happen.
No, I'm super regretting lang kasi pakinggan naman nun. Hindi naman ako perfect.
Oh, nakita mo kanina yung prank ate Alexa. Wrong grammar.
No naman. Siguro, hindi naman sa pet peeve. Pero, hindi
Alam,
naman ako
kinukorek
perfect.
Kasi parang,
Hindi naman ako perfect. Like, I'm not perfect naman when it comes to the English language. Nagkakamali din naman ako.
Yeah.
Pero yung mga alam kong pag may narinig akong mali, kinukorek ko na. For the sake of the person.
Yeah.
Di ba?
you.
Tinanong na ako ng earrings. Oo guys, matutulog.
Guys, last nyo na yan ha, guys.
Tama na ha?
Guys, tanongin nyo na lang yung viewers kung ano nangyari sa
Oo,
Kaya naman
talaga,
sagutan
malalaman nyo naman yan kung asan yung isa kong earring. But guys, we're gonna be leaving na because we're
Yeah, go
sleepy
home
na.
na.
It's gonna be a long day tomorrow.
For you.
Ikikwento na lang namin paano kami. Wala, we just click. We're click.
Click.
Yeah, we just
Click or click? Click.
They don't know.
We have to do that TikTok. So, please tell us your names. The Click. Click or click? The Click.
Yeah, we should do that. Okay. Bye everyone. Good night.
Bye.
Good
Thanks for
night.
watching.
Good night, Kati Patch.
Good night, Ate Pat. Good night, Sushi.
Good night, Sushi. Good night, everyone. I love you. I love you. Thank you so much for watching and
Thank
the
you for
love
all
and
the
everything.
Disney texts.
Yes, thank you. Bye. Good night. Matulog na kayo lahat. Matulog na kayo lahat.
That one. The Click.
Wow, they look so good. Click.